Yes, afford it all in my nano tummy bear TV man and Mr. Laughter kikoma yadi kidwini en matini matika kili lok matima pera takto twal kid machala onano kere kenyo wangeyo ni jim polo temelo machuri dak jimene eni pebigiek dak bena one machalo tummy bear TV ameti oloto wanen kin machalo no watwaro kilo kede lok eno kama leng kor pen Jimmy motime i NRM by election memwagane eni pa LC1 keken obedo Jimmy madon ma in kikumi kay neno bene no wajani ono miro pauti me so watika neno lok eni pien lok e oti lok ma pera tek total dak bene lok ma tika kelo ngunyo ma pat i lok man me kui ma tika binu i mwaga eni mwaga liwario ki piari wa bichel ket machalo wangeyo kere Jimmy matika time eni tima duong total dak bene ma pera tek kache neno kin machalo no Jimmy eni tika time kere ingeyo ni kachil achil ngat mano tika kwo man ma no ngeyo lok ma politics polkare no Jimmy ne beru mere wiji titwal watika neno tela benetie ya chuli matika kelu ngwiji ma pat dichu iman makiluoni ya chuli na wan wamieda wanen kong overview pagin eniken motime kere ke wamieda wanen bene kin machalo no like Jimmy Mugu mano oberka time iman election pa NRM ken machalo wangeyo kede now report mukare ma pat dichu make gathering ma wano machalo jo metamiti bi wakaru kade kere kama leng won jo mukeno neno bene channel tie ma obedo ma pera tek total Jimmy ma ine neno ni Jimmy ma rojo mo bedo tie ma bejo ne beno bedo tie Jimmy ma pol total dak gin ma foyo NIA wabineno ne iyo more district gi nyo more district gi kai neno ya chuli sub region in general pe obedo marach total dak bene Jimmy ma pool mo bedo katime yubman en me kui eni pe obedo bene marach total chi wabikelu la diet ma en la NRM ma bedo total wanu ngeyo la diet Oriema Robinson Ogeri en bedo tie kedwa enien matindi ma en bi nywako wa kor kin ma ene neno kere lok man me kui ene kin ma okaro kere o kore ka neno bedo tie free chi wabigore yer chim en bikele wa tamme malope ki gien manotika time iman makiluoni i NRM lok man me election now we wanen kong iya chuli oluto waneno ni yup me election eni pa LC1 e put kiluoni primary election ke ken peo woro marach twal gin ma da obedo rach total ena election mo keneti ma ki kobo gio ma no po bedo eniero ki kome man po chake cheng bar jam karo ni oluto waneno man makilwon ibadege man ma area mo chill man la yibi badege oluto election payote me ye de 12 piano ene pen lutela li pegu ye dak pegu bir ki ker me tima green meneno ni yop eno tuma be eto ingeye ke yop ruone mano bedo tie ichiario make yubo kor mo kid moti mekere now inen ma megwa ken machalo waneno ni ye generally ye actually sub region pa jimene da obedo racho twal wen mo madak waneno ni dit twal mo bedo tie obedo pedo twal kidong bene tele man en madon dak ma waneno kibo bedo ke e region mo keneni pa obedo tie twal i lowo man me actually to twale but ke neno generally Uganda olo kamo kene area man me Kigezi ke wanyani tawa ki kuma bedo tie ye ma la dit mo achil ka ma kinega actually gi lok man me tele tia gas bene tie ma ke baya madua ta ke neno bene ma ke wajani i Kigezi kuja ngera chielo to apiani kono ke wajani wore I mean la cho ma achil ma enno tie uncle le la tiene ki come pobolo yere qui nyo uncle le ki come la tiene pobolo qui yere enwe o kilo lok ma ditu twal chi police betika investigating ken ma wana kere report tie ma tiga wajo kama leng ni police tiga investigating kita pa ngete eni kidong bene lok mo kadi ma ditu twal me tieko ken me violence eni la dit tanga odoi tieno kadi ki lok ma teka de ken ma nero kere lok me violence eni enwe ni gien ma chalo NRM gi pe tie ki room mo ke ken me bedo ki gien makilwoni man makilwoni violence pen gien gi neno ni violence eni mutime eni LC1 primary election ke ken pe obedo na nyut mabedo twal image pa NRM pen ke neno kin machalo NRM obedo kere katimo jimene pe obedo mabedo twal neno pa dano mapol kadong primary election pa LC1 ke ken kilu ta ada da ene chi dong no wateka nana election mateka bino ene be bino ni ning jonne no be nen ni ning pe ngo dong actually Uganda tika teme marach ko man ka ine ner food primary election pa LC1 ken dong ta o nena ye chi anyim pa election mateka bino i 2026 ene be bino ni ning mona igin ma mera wanen cho watami bene ka cheti kenyo wako wode ne kor gi kore tammi mano ino tikere o mano uluto wako no wan wangeyo ken machalo no jim ne kere tika wot kere e kor gi kore man makilwane itami bay TV wako uluto bene ine bet ki ngech meneno neni jimo ke ken makati iman makilwane itami bay in Peking lok me politics lok me odilo lok mo ke ken malupe ki Uganda kidong bene wilobo dichu ine bineno ni ikati kere o ingeyo wenga kaine now wamira wajon kuman ka bolo kui diga biene imagali wario ke pieri wa bichel eto dano don kid magitiga time kere kida wanero kere ni NRM adede ni i rompa NRM i rom madit magien gitie kere ni kache LC1 election ke ken don kate ki ta ye chi don waneno Uganda tika chero kwene mona egin mamera penchamu in mai tika neno wani tammi tiene ngo ikom loke eni eneno ni gamente me Uganda oluto oyubo yub mano oluto tia gas beru pe ye ta beru pe ye ki mo ke ken ma like mano kwanyo ko pa ngar manyo kelo jimi mareje kom ko pa dano no pega ye pen ma teka neno jimi ma pat ma teka time eni anyimpa ye ma teka bino eni beberu right kid ma wateka neno kere because ka ini neno mod ingeyo ni kid gin makira ini ono yang chan petime daga mente pala dit yuwere ka goda Museveni oberu itetela pikar malach ma omirno kid ma endo lor ke jime weng ka waneno eno katiki lok mo wajo ni oluto ministries ma pat dichu go dak ping itetero kidong bene bo parliament ki lor metimo primary election pa LC1 ene eto gin mukate ki ye kane waneno adede nene obedo gin mabe kane in kikumi ma ineno ni itika dongo lobo mameri machalo Uganda onomir gin makire ni poti me iye me te dero me la ping makire ni eto ka dong waneno ta time waneno ji pat time iye makire ni no dong pe gin manen mabe twal Arabi jolo la dit Robinson chawa mo kenen anti available chi bimin watame ikum loke ene pene loke ene kemu gen kikome dak bene kemu mira wachi lok mano kemu NRM kikome amita en beno ko katiki tamma mege ikum election ene kin ma eno neno kere ngo mabe mamir gitim kidong ngo kikome moti me mowero ka area mo kene pegubedo ki ker moni me bolo kui ki muolo ki peace makilwone ki kuch pingote letie i NRM madit total watamo ni mono lok me lim nyu lok man me corruption nyu lok man me ana dong mira ti matek kwa kamente ongeya onyo gwak ma dit yuwer ka gwada Museveni ongeya eno weko jimi makira ine tele ni maduong ine bedo tie in ko itamo ni mo NRM mir gutim gina ngo kadong election me acheke eni matiri ba kadong wachera MP wachera LC5 wachero kom yepa president wangi president for sure dong mighty elected mau be dak dong jo mo kene ba ping eni kadong food by election e kan dong ta achil onene ye in machalo nged ma neno tami be TV itamani NRM romo timo gina ngo me weko ni kimi eni matika timeni peo bet kidma otime kere election eni nyo election mabina nyimi po bed machalo gino mo madako be kelo lweny kita e kendano pieni neno na kid ma neno kere atamani there is something ma tika time behind the scene madano pole wano kene gwakuno pe wangeyo chi en gino wa ana tamani omiro anung uluto ngato mo ma antied i NRM ki kome era obiro tiete balok ini me wachi wa ko ngo ki kome matika time i NRM pingo election mo matitiri to nene ye wan machalo Uganda neno we mono tika kwene watika mere ki mo ke ken ma wano timu ilo yo man metela o mir ta beti ye gin mo ma tidi en be food pe kom ye gi ko madong yob ne yob me ye en madong ke wani a ngero be beru dong la tela LC1 eta tela ini mere man men nongo candidate kan ba med bear flag bearer now kami bear flag bearer ke ken me NRM jonne donc tele beru maduong kire ini yan lokane piane kamente nyo NRM miyo chene maduong to 12 kilo tela magi bear flag bearers kije dak gi moti mapan no we ota ki tele beru madiet to 12 kiandano because an ke neno na no itam mega election and man makitimo and man with no flag bearers so mero bet gino mo mano olotono dano no kineni NRM tika improving iyo mekelo election ma olototi free and fair ma tele peye ma lwany peye ke neno lugi tia gas makibayo wagulu kikome bena tia gas bedo tiye ma onen maliq to twal iner ma mega itam ma mega because in no mero bet example ma dit borlo tele mo kenene menene ni chin magen gitika timone binyur kama leng ni wandong ba watie ma walake wandong ba watie ma wayupe wandong watie kom NRM ma pedak NRM mo matata kom era NRM ke kome matika kilu jimi ma patpan ma wano ngeni o binyuru tiene dake dak binyuru ni ena kom tela ke kome ma wan wa mero in northern Uganda unyo bene Uganda so because nen malik to twalo tua inero na atamani mir NRM no onyot example maleng madiet ma oloto dano weng bebedo ki wu meneno ni wano tamani NRM no anywera tiye eto kara anywera mo madiet to 12 pe eto gin mutime eni nyuro ni anywera futie i NRM machalo gamente madiet magitika telo lobo me Uganda dong gen mir go tim gena nga kawa neno lok do o chao kati ki bolla di tango do i matika wajane kama leng tini furu karde ke kapara bija ngich ma wajani again they will not tolerate violence election and matika temene petian lokeni election ma NRM tika yupone ni pegi tie ka yupone me kilo tele ikien candidates me NRM now ka tele do beru tio madir do chaka waki art ke kome ti dong dan ma wakane dong mier go nen ning dan ma wakane mier go nen ning eni pe dong nyuru dong shame do ikom NRM pe kilo image malik nyuma rach ikom NRM ka LC1 ke ken menongo flag bearer dong ta nena ye luwen tiagas jima pol dong nena ye not one machalo Ugandas watika tero NRM wati tero Uganda as a whole kwana warat kong ladit Robinson kachetie waka go yere kong chi mweko mini watame wek oluto wange en machala tela matika biyun ka chung man me la yiba deg la yibi MP Honorable Ladit Oriema Robinson Ogeri ma en tie la tela ma wano ngeo ni en logo mabedo to dak bena en neno kwedo Jimmy matime i NRM kore en yo weka no ke ka na tamani omir oluto akil en wek en umini wa nero ma mege ikom election en kin moti mekere imirne nyo iner ma mege ngo motime marach ngo ma otime marach mo weko Jimmy makira ino otime ma anna tamani omir po timeni so ka eno bino chiwa bi neno ne kin ma no eno bitamo kere nyo kin ma en wajo kere kor wek no oluto wa bet ki kere me winyo ki bore won jomo following one kare jomo ken mo bineno la chen oluto be on be ber ki kare men me following one won jomo tika neno kumbe di subscribe ka che PS subscribing kiren bere yeah like and share wek oluto wa nen kin ma chal no wa twer mete kere kor kin me neno ne kore akarat kon kala didati wa koneno kore kache kien mano en obimino wakere tama mege malupe ki yup en ma wano ti yene wek no uluto wa win ki bore en ma chala tela mano wan wa yer panier matin wa bibir ka kilo tela ma pat dichu wek uluto wa bet ki kero me winyu tama megi ikom gi mo ke ken mano tika time in northern Uganda itela ni wok bene ki education ni wok ki Jimmy dichu mano ber ka time itami be TV pen per tek ni umir wangi kin machalo politics ma mekwa tikere kidong jimo ken mano ber ka time area ma mekwa kor ki kore abi ladit kainen en round chi wabi winyu ki bore kor ki kore watika olegoro go chim but kidong kache tamitie cho kenyo la penyitie cho kenyo kache eno bino chi wabi winyu ne bena ki bore hello hey ladit honorable yes afo ritual yo man and Mr. Laughter nyo la luo ni nyer watie live man I channel Metami Bear TV wa meda wolo to kong wa nywa kong lok ene manak pen no ber ka kuiri dong yo mo ken no ber ka wa la dir te dak bino nyo biro ko but afo kong ana following in ritual ngi ben unity obi ma mega but mo no ritual dong bi po ko mako but lok ma per tek ritual ma ti we table and I lok me election pa NRM Mauti me put chabera ene bene ma put pia to me and I wa ber kaneno lok ma LC1 by LC1 flag bearer election mo ber katime NRM iner ma megi kay mi na kong overview ma megi warning honorable network pa honorable long petit ma be ritual hello honorable honorable yeah network pa honorable petit malon ritual ne chalo tika yele gwa ngar mo tika go ne chim wa pedong but kay nano go chimu dwa chwa benian ki come ken ma chalo no jimen tie ka wat kere pange network omega ne chalo petit mabe ritual but kay nen ubino chwa bi niang ki come ngoma entamo ikum by election en mauti me odong iner ma megwane now ana tika wachni Jimmy Mapol matime by election and power beru Jimmy budget ritual power beru Jimmy mano ana tamani roma time ken macharo no atamo kere ne pene kache wange ken macharo no miro wagene o miro warwata kere kor meneno Jimmy no time kor man mak luone itami be TV waka calling na kong la dit aneno network tie ka yele manak wa kong wa win kong kibore in my take following one wek uluto omini wa actually ngo ke come matie katime environment ma mege onyo man ma kluone election ma mege waka calling enda odojo wa uluto no kwa bidugu be mini wa kor ki kore Jimmy manotie angi network petit ma yot twal but ka eno bino chi wabe winyo ne kibore kore ki kore now no wange ken manotika bino ke watika calling ladit honorable Robinson Ogeri ayo ladit yes network enen chawtika yeli manak tak ba so ito biro ber ma ke WhatsApp kile interaction ber do nge wan team boy ti go all the time okay aroma chwele link chi dong no donyo bero live dong I TV kai nen WhatsApp ba no food be ne biti yugi team okay yeah we da chwele link kai nen WhatsApp da go bero yela okay yeah afoy bana all right so la diti wani WhatsApp etiga yele we actually yele link we eno donya studio kan ki come we ko to be ki kar me mi tamme bene kida no watiga ko ana kere temo wakija wolo to jimne food petika won mabe kido mier wat kere but wara nge con kien ma waka chwal yer la dit link con kore chi yolo to wak bano mine wa tamma mege waka chwal yer link con yor yot waka chwal yer link ko yor yot so um te makeja con ma tiri waka chwal lila dit link mano to be konyo en me donyo studio bodwa te makeja ngete gale but jimene dong chwal yer link but jimene petika word mabeo yor yot 12 so let's see kanen ko ken machala romo chwal yer link and joining channel lo yor yot chap ka whatsapp tika yilo and but ka network be long te yila kirene put pange kerche ka inviting and kong yor yot ote makeja ni jimene petika word ken momiyo no word kero chap but abi chwal yer link and be donyo yor yot me donyo kan chwal yer kong alright but mona ilok mati wada choy la penyi kache ano bi donya kenni wada choy la penyi wa kwange ken mano jimene tiyo kere kor wada choy la penyi wa kwanen kenyo kor ken mano jimene tiyo kere kache en bino ni no wada to wano kor now wada choy la penyi kenyo wa kwanen ken mano jimene tiyo kere kor wada choy la penyi kong kache warwata en kila dit Robinson ma en be mine wa kor kita no jimene tiyo kere kor now okay now lok ma tiyo bene tiyo kama ling ma miro wan kiri no wanen jim mukene matime in northern Uganda tiyo ma bejo tutual ma bene ulutu wabineno ne ni ulutu okelo waka achil maneno kid mano jimene waneno kid mano jimene tiyo kere waka sharing kong link en lutua chi wa mete kachel kere so alright la dit Robinson atika kone po tima kija mer manaka tika chwala yer link wek ulutu eno don wek do mi watame bene kom election ni tima kija mer manak pen jimene tika gale manak but en ka ni tap no ulutu no wabineno kin mano jimene tikere kor so achwalo yer dong link ko matika word maber twal weka en bino ni tap aya wabi chera nyim kin machalo no en tika word menen na kin mano jimene bi wato kere kor no so no bi konyo wa kor all right so wek wanen kala dito be bino kor wek no uluto udony wek min watame but anyway iromo wot chwalo la penyi iromo wot chwalo tami bene akache tami tie wek no wanen bene kor kin mano jimene bi wot kere kenen geno o ni tap aya chi wabi neno kin mano jimene wor kere lok eni pe lok matitiri lok madit mamire jo madama magitie i NRM ena igu lok iwawa tiki la tela chiel matie nonge iya moro ma romo go yer chimi chane wek ulutu en beno min watame en kilwoni kijai now kijai tila tela ma en odonyo man i NRM dak en tie nged ma tika mero chung chalo MP me Clark South ken machalo waneno kere en tega wajane itega miato kelo kelak I rom malamal man kilwan honorable lanam kijai MP kelak South constituency Amor district ma en tega miato joining ma be to twal wek en bene o mi tama miata pin en bene kong wek akole ngen kong chap chap wek win bene ma pia la diet Robinson o kany bene kor ke kore wek no wangi kimano jimene tikere la diet honorable afo de twal for man any an la dit nyero tie live man I channel makil woni tammi be TV wateka meton winyu tammi I lokom by election pa NRM kid ma war kere waneno ngunyu bero maduong I totwale I tung ko ping me Uganda ato I northern Uganda pada ko bero right totwal ato Jimmy Manok nok waneno bero tie I Gulu district ye mo kene ki baye ti agas ye mo kene ki kobo Pangeo kid ma moro war kere kid ma chalo in aspirant me MP nyo in berengan mano itika mero donya itiket pa NRM amede kong wolo to don kong introducing kong in kong manok na
quiet. There was nothing like interruption. Sorry. Hello?
Yeah, go on.
Yeah, there was not that much interruption. There was not that much. I have in Amoro we have different issues. Eh?
Yeah.
There is lack of transparency. As member of the National Resistance Movement Party, we were called for an emergency meeting a day before yesterday at our head office in KO Primary School. But there was some leakage already. There was some extra aid yellow register was brought in through the bus, not the formal way, with names of other extra voters, which means there's plan to cheat other exam. I mean the MPs.
Timakija honorable dao ngoleo so timakija manok honorable ngole wa go yer chimu dojo kong ago yer chimu dojo ngoleo timakija dong watika tika what style kija chimene dong tie mene chap chap dong watika word ger wati nana
Hello.
Hello. Oh, thank you so much. Again, network wada ngolo manare. Apo ni de pe. So forgive us. But yeah, irama mete don't come ane ti wajane ne.
Yes, I was talking about, but I failed to understand which state do you come from? From US?
Yeah,
From
we are in.
UK? What is
I'm
that
in the
from?
U.S. I'm in the U.S. right now.
From
In
US.
the
Okay, thank you.
Pennsylvania.
I was once in Chicago, Illinois too.
Oh, that's good. Okay.
Yeah, I've been there for 10 years, 9 months.
Oh, that's good. That's good to know.
Yes, hello?
Yeah,
Hello?
yeah, I'm listening.
Yes.
Mhm.
Let me get a better location for the network because we
Yeah.
have, I'm in a remote area here in
Yeah.
Moro.
Yeah, I
So
guess.
it's not easy. Town area doesn't have good network. Okay. Yeah, the truth is there is some kind of do.
Yeah, the network is disturbing our MP. Network is disturbing our MP. But network is disturbing our MP so much. But if he gets back, for sure, we shall be in position to listen to
Yes,
him.
you know. They find out why. Because they are very suspicious that
Look.
hello?
Hey, your network is really disturbing you. You're on and off, on and off. I've, yeah, your network is disturbing you so much. We can't hear. Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Hey, you're on and off. I think your network is disturbing you, but you can talk. You can go on. All right, network pala dit pe dong ti maber. Lo dong monok pa ma tie and I dong anola dit MP ke jai ma anti MP ma moro ma tika meto tale dit ye ke lak south and no tika mer min watam ma mega ekom election mano tie katime man makilwoni yeah LC1 election mo ber katime now tika calling wa kongwa win gwa mo goda gwa meromberu network around be. Let it. Hello?
Yes, hello?
Hey, yeah, well, for do go.
For
Yeah, yeah. Me, you know, going to me
yes.
go.
Yes.
Mm.
Yeah, I'm here. This is going to be my fourth time to be contesting for the post of member of parliament.
The fourth time you said, or first time?
Yes, it's going to be the fourth. The fourth.
Fourth time, okay.
Because, yes, the fourth time. When I came back in 2010,
Mm.
I have to jump in. That was the 2011 election.
Mm.
So when I came in from United States of America,
Mm.
after 10 years, 9 months, I was elected a member of parliament for Clark constituency in Amur district.
Mm.
Even the provisional result was clear. I was the leading candidate. Out of 11 candidates, I was
Oh, this network. This network is disturbing you. This network is disturbing our candidates. Man. Okay. Network is disturbing you so badly. Okay. Did you still there? Yes, honorable.
yes, hello.
This network is so terrible. I don't know
The
why.
network, yeah, I think the network here in Amur is Amur, and we have very few area here.
Yeah,
We're trying to
probably,
get a location.
probably we can organize someday different. Maybe when you're in town or you're like in Pabo Center or something, where
No,
there's
there's a
where.
certain location,
Mm,
a very certain location here. When I stand, I can get the best. Maybe I can move over there, just few meters, about 10 meters from where I am.
okay,
It would be a good location for me to stand and we can talk there.
okay, no problem. If you can
Okay?
make it right there, it's fine.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
fine.
I'm just moving to the directions
Mm,
because I'm within the company in the remote area here.
okay, okay.
Yeah, so
Mm,
I've been a contestant, I've been a candidate. This is going to be my fourth time,
mm-hmm,
and people know my quality of service I wanted to give to my community. But
mm-hmm,
except that we have only small misunderstanding with some members of the party.
mm,
But they know my real dream for my people
mm.
of Amoro. But I've been having challenges with. I'm trying to get the location.
Yeah,
I'm
no
going to the
problem, no
location.
problem. Take your time.
Yes, I'm getting to the best location right now.
Mm.
Yeah, so I contested 2011, 2016, 2021.
So you have gone for 3 times now.
3 times, and
Mm.
I had been a winner in the primary, but they always denounce me. That's the challenge I have. But I'm not giving up because I'm very mature.
Okay. So
I know what I need.
yeah. So what's your take on the primary election that just concluded for LC3?
Yeah.
I mean LC1s.
Primary election.
Mm.
The forthcoming one.
No, the one that passed just this week. The
The
one
one
for
that passed.
LC1s, yeah.
I was the leader because uh, I was the leader. The person who was the third in primary was pronounced the you get the point?
Yeah. Yeah,
Yeah.
network
So
cut, but I didn't
he
hear.
even spoke. Yeah, he talked to me. He said, "My brother, now I did not win the NRM primary election. It was you.
Mm.
But order came from above."
Mm.
I said, "Which above?" He said, "From the president." I
Mm.
said, "How can the president decide the vote for the people of Amuro?" But
Mm.
it was the internal things within the district here. There were top people behind.
Mm.
Then of late, I even have learned that there was cheating that was done. The voting was done in the house of the late General Keta,
Mm.
where the people who take the vote for this guy to win, they came and told me right now because they knew the General Keta is dead
Mm.
and Shula cannot do anything. They told me the truth. I said, those are bygones, let it be bygone. I'm not
Mm.
worried, but I'm going to stand up again for my people.
Mm.
That's what happened 2026. 2025, the same thing.
Mm.
Now I'm coming, I mean, 2021, I came back again.
Yeah.
The same thing was done because the late speaker was behind the other person who came, Mr. Nograt.
Mm.
So they did all that dubious deal. Nograt went and he did not succeed in the final race. Olanya went back.
Mm.
So that is what the problem of Amur right now. But
Mm.
I'm very hopeful this time. I can
Mm.
make it
So
unless they will do their dubious deal.
yeah, what's your strategies for are you going to contest for the primary election for NRM and then after that?
I wanted because if I don't,
Mm.
the party will fight me. If I have to go as an independent, they will fight me for sure.
Okay.
Even if they are fighting me, but fighting me from the level of the district level, but not from up. I have no problem with the top official in the secretariat of NRM,
Mm.
but the problem is down here.
Okay, so you think you're suffering from internal issues around
Yeah,
Amora
internal
district.
issues. Yes, exactly, exactly.
Okay, but
That's what is going. Yeah.
what's your view on the LC1 election? Just that the election that just passed. You remember I was telling you that some few things happened that we never thought it would have happened. Like there was death in Kigezi, there was tear gas in Gulu district. Amora was fine. I never heard anything. Amora was okay. Never heard anything.
Amuro, there was some tear gas at Ulwal, which is a primary school. There was some kind of misunderstanding there,
Oh,
but it was not posted to the website on it. But
okay,
there was some minor thing also that was going too. The police was there. That
okay,
is my neighborhood here. Yeah, yeah.
okay.
But generally, other places there was a lot of even people were killed, and because that's where the problem is. Because somebody who is going to contest
Mhm,
for member of parliament, they are now lining up their LC1, their LC2, their LC3 for sub-county level up to the district, so that when the campaign comes for the primary,
mhm,
which is going to be around 10 whatever, so
mm,
they have their lineup already. We will be giving them support to rally after them. So
yeah.
that's where the problem.
So
Now,
do
some of my
yeah. Go on.
yeah, some of my supporters told me I should be neutral for this election because if I participated, I will create enmity. Others will really be fighting me in the final race. So I should not show up in this because it's going to be we don't know who is going to be elected LC1
Yeah.
among the contestants,
Mm,
and I don't know who's going to be LC2. If I saw myself that I'm supporting somebody, I'm going to be in trouble. So I should pull out and
mm,
wait until it comes. They have done the election of that level. Now you line up with those who have been elected. That was the advice for some of people who support me.
mm.
They advised me to do this. So I pull out.
Okay.
I'm only listening to their voting and their whatever going on. I'm not physically appearing at the side of that election.
Okay. So what do you make of the forthcoming election now for the parliamentarians and then for the LC5s and all this primary election for NRM? But before that, before you say anything on that, what do you make of NRM primaries? Actually, do you think it's going to be free and fair? Do you think this is going to be something that will bring, because looking at the one that just concluded one, I feel like there were issues in it that I as a person who follows NRM and any other politics, I feel like NRM is such a big party that only LC1 election shouldn't have brought that issue of like death and fights and tear gas. Now, if only that level of LC1 is bringing that issues, it's bringing issues like that. How about now when we go to parliamentarian election or the LC5s and all those candidates, the flag bearers? How confident are you that it will be free and fair?
No, I don't think there's going to be free and fair election since I came back. There has not been free and fair election in Uganda. Agree with me or not? That
Mm,
is that's the truth about politics in Uganda. It is a crooked political ground yet. Honestly,
mm,
there's no justice in politics. There's no honesty, transparency is not there. Because if I've been cheated
mm,
and you can find that Namgijai has won the election, but you find yourself dumped, somebody who did not even win will be taken to be the winner.
mm,
I know that much,
yeah.
but I know time will come when God will really make me prevail to help my people. That's all. But even this primary election,
Mm,
we have already received another 8 extra register for NRM party, which
mm,
was not officially released to the registrar.
mm,
And it is there in the police. And that
mm,
much, if you don't know, if it has not been posted on the platform, we have it with the DPC of Amoro.
mm,
8 lists, 8 registers,
mm,
which could even have like 2,000 members, which is going to be secretly voted. For
mm,
that would be waiting for the member of parliament. That's what because these people are supporting somebody which we know, but we hope they will not get through this time because thank God we have got the register that was sent from Kampala by
mm,
bus
mm,
and was received from Gulu. And
mm,
that register was taken. So when the official register from the Secretary of NRM was already given to the registrar to come with it, but
mm,
another set of 8 more
mm,
was tapped onto what has already been bought with names of people.
mm,
For example, some sub-county like from Atiak,
mhm,
Opara.
mm,
You know what Opara is?
yeah.
Opara is, there's a name, one village has got a register. We don't know why that name, that thing was registered. And another person was, Bagoma was complaining yesterday about one,
Mm,
like they had registered about 800 members of party of NRM in Opara in one village,
mm,
400 something. But
mm,
when the final register came, there was only 200 people who came in. The rest was kicked out. How?
mm. Yeah,
Why
that's
is that the
frustrating.
people who register? Yeah, it was kicked out. That
Mm,
means something is wrong. Now there's another register came in the name of Opara
mm,
with a different list of people. Some of them may not even be there.
mm,
And that was the question we raised the other day, the day before yesterday. There's problem. There's a lot of things, a lot of chaos going to be here,
mm,
especially during the primary for NRM.
yeah.
And I'm glad some of them say they are not going to contest for primary because that would be a waste of time.
So
Because the member of parliament will be chosen by the top official from up there.
so they
So even if you go,
mm.
yeah,
You think even
that's
if
the
they
situation. If you
organize
put,
the
yeah,
election, if they organize the election, it would just be for the showcasing, but not like really,
exactly,
really,
exactly,
really
exactly,
doing anything.
exactly. That's what exactly is going to happen.
Okay.
That's what exactly. But while at the same time, the secretary of NRM, Secretary General Todong, is our own brother here.
Yeah.
He's setting up the rule that if you have failed the primary for NRM, you cannot go for independent. Now, what is the democracy is all about? If there's no freedom of choice, if
Mm,
you feel like you have been cheated
mm.
and you can run as independent, you can go through. They don't want you now to sit
So
to
what
run for that
now
position.
with that law or wherever it is, if you don't contest or if you go ahead to contest, what will happen? Will they stop you? Will they not register you,
Yeah,
or
yeah,
what
they
will
will
happen?
deny you because they will tell the electoral commission not to register you as a candidate. That's the order they give. So where will you register to be a contestant? Nowhere. So
Mm,
they will order the electoral commissioner not to consider you to be a candidate, the
yeah.
final race. Period.
Yeah.
So that is another thing which is denying the right of a human being to contest. If it is
Mm,
a free and a fair election, if it is a free world,
yeah.
that's where the challenge we have right now. And they have already warned us if you take the paper
Hmm.
for nomination, and once you have failed, that is it. Your day is over.
Okay.
And
So.
even if you complain, they will
Mm.
not accept it.
So, do you think that is going to be like a stumbling block for many NRM candidates to at least not
Of
even go
course,
for
that is
primary and then they just go and test independent? Because if I know for sure that even if I contest in the primary and I'm not going to be accepted, or even if I win, somebody else will be taken, that would be frustrating. So I
exactly.
don't need to go in for that, right?
And that's what happened in Kampala, in the other part of Kawempe now by
Mm.
election. The
Yeah.
person who election, who should have been the flag bearer of the party, was not given. And it was given to somebody they wanted.
Mm.
And that somebody they wanted was the daughter of the first vice chairman, Hazi Mosekigongo, who is the next to the president, the next chairman of the party.
Yeah.
And she did not win, but the party who win, they denied her. Then in the long run, the new party took over advantage.
Yeah.
That's where the problem came. And the same thing in Amoro is like that. Nobody has been elected NRM MP. And now we are missing that opportunity to bring development here. Because all the bill passed in the parliament, our district will not get. In the middle, you find things have turned around. We have no roads, we have no good schools, we have no health center for, we have a lot of things, we have no money coming in, the market is very poor, and nobody's there to represent us. For me, I thought if I could get to that level, I would definitely be able to lobby from abroad and help my community.
Yeah.
Like school here, I've studied Montessori. I'm a Montessori trained by American Montessori Society. So I'm getting the schools standing here for the people of Amoro and Dilak South, particularly right now.
Yeah.
And I want to expand this to all parts of our district first, maybe, and the rest of Uganda will benefit from my idea. But how to get it moved is it has been a challenge right now.
Okay.
But I'm glad you have got in touch with me.
Mm.
I'm very reliable, very matured. I'm not a teenager.
Mm.
I'm material that can make a change for my country, for my local community. But we need really to stand up to work out with the government. There is no way you can get to any party and you develop this country. No.
Yeah.
We have to go with the party in power, that is the NRM. And I'm ready to work with them to bring change to my people here of Amoro. First, then the rest will follow.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
I will contact you again someday, and then maybe we can arrange in a day where you have good network. We can do a live video so people can see you, and you
Oh,
can
sure.
give us like your overview of your manifestos and what you think about the politics of Amoro and what you're
Yes.
going to bring on the table for them. We have a show called Get to Know Your Leader, so we shall get that,
Okay.
and then you will be contacted, and then we see a day that we can all work together and let you hear out every single thing you have about your contesting. I mean,
Okay.
contestancy. So like it would be good. But for now, I think yeah, time is far spent. But let me understand and give us your last word as far as your contestancy is concerned. Yeah.
Yeah, of course. I'm glad we have been in touch with you today for the first time, and I want you to convey to the world that this is a developmental man who really have seen the political scenario in the United States, which is a well-organized democracy
Yeah.
where justice, where transparency in every election. And that is what we still lack in Uganda. We hope. Because for me, I feel if I work with the party, maybe I can streamline them to understand what democracy means, how transparent we should be for each and everyone who is contesting. Let us believe in the votes the people are giving for an individual. I've lost 3 times when I've been elected. They even now tell me, Mr. Ganyao, you have won the election, but you have been fooled around. They know I have the capacity to lead my people. They know I can bring change. Right now, I'm building school. We have been making some swampy river. We build up with people. If you see that kind of thing, I did even that one when I was in United States. That was 2009. That construction on the river top. We did with the community. It has opened the way from Aulwal up to Pabo. It
Yeah.
has connected people now to make a shortcut instead of going out to our way. In order to go to Pabo, you now take from Ulwal to Buruburu, Ayubi, and then Pabo Trading Center,
Yeah.
which is a great transformation for the life of people. So I would be happy to get the necessary advice and support to let me get through with my election.
Yeah.
That is my request to you,
Okay.
your organization.
Mm.
Yeah, we want to bring change and want to bring development for my people of Uganda.
Okay.
But it must start from home. Charity start from home.
Yeah, that's
And the
that's
school is first.
yeah, that's what we always hope for. I'm from Uganda, so I know every single thing about Uganda and how
Sure.
people struggle and how people make ends meet. It's challenging if you don't have a good political atmosphere for everybody to be equal and everybody to express themselves in so many ways.
It is true.
But
It is true.
we don't need to give up, and that's why I brought this issue today. It's really alarming that the ruling party is making people look at it as a very small party. If you just fight for for LC1 election, which is is
Exactly.
really
That's
is
the point.
really
Your government
shaming.
is being paid for the job
You
I'm
know,
telling you.
it's
And
like a
it's still
joke.
people are fighting for.
Yeah, like at least if it was parliament that would make sense because I know people are going to go there and get a lot of money and stuff like that. But LC1 is just the lowest, but it's also the most important one. We shouldn't have fought for it, in my view, and
Mm,
nobody
mm,
should have died, in
mm.
my view. But that is it anyway. But thank you so much for coming in. We shall contact you
Yeah,
again,
yeah.
probably.
But what's your name? What's your name?
I'm
What's your name
Francis. I'm
exactly?
Francis. Francis Nyaro.
Francis. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
we
Yeah.
have a
Yeah. I'm
channel.
Lamon Kijang.
Yeah, we have a channel on YouTube. We have a podcast here that we you can follow if you want to go to Spotify and other iTunes and stuff. You can follow.
Okay.
Um,
Let me ask you a question. Let me ask
yes,
you a question.
yes.
What does your channel do as regards the political atmosphere in Uganda? How can you be of benefit to me and to the people of Uganda,
So
if I ask you?
what we normally do is um, have shows like this and get political
Mm-hmm.
leaders to discuss them. And sometimes we invite political analysts, people who can study the political atmosphere of Uganda, and they come in and give us their views. And
Mm-hmm.
mostly, we try to focus on northern Uganda because we think
Okay.
that's where I come from. So we bring in leaders like sometimes we bring councillors, sometimes we bring MPs, sometimes we bring yeah, any other leader who wants to join, as long as we
Okay.
contact them and they want to share their views on their political atmosphere, but their political run or their life story, everything, like just mainly uh, political. No matter which party you're in, we don't worry about it if it is on the NRM or any other party. So as long as you want to offer your services to us and people can know you, we use this platform also for people to know our leaders, because many people think if you go to the community only, then you get to be known. But also these platforms that we have online is actually a very good exposure to many people outside of Uganda, also to see you and also try to generate maybe by generating maybe certain things. If you feel like you need help or you need something, people who view the channel can contact you and link you up, something like that. So it's
Okay.
still a work in progress. We are not yet very big. We are getting there, but slowly, we can make it to the level where we want to
Okay.
be.
And which state are you based in?
Pennsylvania.
Oh, Pennsylvania. I know where Pennsylvania is.
Yeah, that's where we are.
Okay, okay, that's great.
Mm,
I'll be grateful to be in touch with you regularly and see
mm,
how best you can really be of values to add values to us.
yeah,
I want to succeed. I want to transform our society. I left United States not because there was anything wrong with me, because it was a call. Like one of the Americans guy told me that I said, Mr. Kijanga, let me tell you one thing. People say it when you come to the United States, they say, okay, Uganda is a bad country, or other part of Africa is a bad country, it's not the best place to live.
mm,
Say, if you run away from problems,
yeah,
which means you never solve the problems.
mm,
So you be a solution to the problems. Go back and let things get from you. Lay a foundation, even if you may not finish it, but you put the foundation for the generation to come to take from there.
yeah,
And don't run away from problems.
mm,
Now, who do you think will lay the foundation for the problem to come to an end if it is not you?
yeah,
So go back, let people learn from you, be a model in your society, and tomorrow the next generation will take from there.
yeah,
And I even felt the thing. I think it is okay.
mm,
And this one made me to come back to Uganda. And I've started with the profession I've studied from university. That is Montessori's idea.
mm,
And I'm grooming many children here to become leaders tomorrow, become good presenters,
yeah,
and think that can be independent thinker.
mm,
And this is what I'm trying to encourage to my country.
yeah,
So I'm glad to be in touch with you.
mm,
I'm from Lamogi, Olwal Trading Center. That's where my home is.
yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
but
Yeah.
my father came
Mm,
from that side of Pabo, Paomo.
okay. Yeah, I know that place. I've lived in Pabo for a while before coming here, so I
Yeah,
know the
that's
place. Yeah.
my father came from. But we grew up in Lamogi. I grew up here. I'm just a born of Lamogi now. The
Okay.
whole generation comes from that side of Pabo.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
So I'm
Thank
glad
you.
to be in touch.
Mm.
Mm.
Yeah.
We
Thank
shall
you.
catch up again. When
Yeah.
you need anything, you can reach me on a WhatsApp
Yeah.
or on or whatever.
No problem. We shall. We
I'm
shall.
available.
We shall talk more.
Yeah, we shall talk more. Thank you
Yeah.
for
Thank you. Thank
being
you.
in touch.
Thank you.
God bless.
Bless you too.
Yeah.
All right. All right. That was Kijai, the aspirant for Amor district. That he wanted at least to give his views on what is happening as far as NRM is concerned. Now, Mio Dong Kong, what you la did General la did Robinson Ogeri. I try to get a link. I don't know if he is going to come on or not, but I want to see if he's going to come on for a little bit. Kada rat kong. Bakan ba mi tamachi wa ko lor program. Mi la penyi ma pia wa chara nyim. Um, so wa ko wanan kachu kaenti tayara gware. Pangi kache anti ka nano link ni wa ko to kile wakare. um, let's see quickly, guys. Okay, now, while we you look primary election per NRM, Mabiru Kamaling, Kinmoti Mekere, Koargi Bene. But Wangini Jimmy Time, in Fura Chokene, Wabinano Kinmano Jimmy no be Metekere, Koargi but no one then, Kache Guare, Wabarama Yupo, Gimoma no Rate, Ki by election mano lueng dagi beru pe ye to trial pangi wega nen kon kache la dit Robinson gwa romo bina ye kaine because atemo trial ye link kat nen chalo work no network e petika tin mabe to trial kong da go ye chim ko dojo wa ko win kon kache romo mi tamme gwa o yo wa ko lor program no po bal chao ritual ana fo won juju moti nan waka chepe subscribing please subscribe and be part of the channel wak no jimene obed mabe pe wan de chu kore mano warama nan kere sorry timalon ritual but in anyway konen kachela diti ramo o kore kanet waka be peti mabe chewa bi kopa ne gwak no gwak dare dire chewa romo lung en bino tie kanen tien po belare wak no manen kin machal no en no romo min watame kere ma otumi obedo paladit kijae ma wang'eyo en tie la tela matika chung pi man makilwoni Amor district ikilak south ma en tika wachwa tam mamege wachwa bene kori kin maneno kere by election obedo wat kere kibot gi ye amoro waja ni otum mabe pako ma pat obedo pe jimi ma otum kin mano meta kere kono do wan ba waja ni tia gas mono obedo tie area mokene but wa kong dong wanen ken ma la di Robinson romo bino kere ti wachwa ngo mano tika time kore subscribe to the channel ka che foot pe subscribing wa no waneno ken mano jimene tie ka wat kere la dit nen chalo foot dong network tie ayela anyway kay nen dong po bino chi bene chawa ne bene do chero comment mo bene manger mo mo choy pare amanyori no mi rong no chak wallo program wallo arbene chawa dong tika bino karamo man 1 hour pen pol kar watimo gineni 1 hour ken strictly and also but kenen Robinson gwa tiki twin may donyo ci maner wakano ti mabe ci obi bino mine watame bene ikom jimma kere ka pe ci wabi yupo tim mamek wa mano ti Uganda yan bi cer bore ci gibi penyune gimaro loke kikuno wek no en ba mi tama ci no e channel wek no ben mabe pe in channel eni kono channel matie nonge man kelo lokum kim pat du chu tela kono beru dilu kono ben ngwech kono ben lok pala we kim ma pol mera ta pen no meta to wa balancing di mene wen ki lok pala chwej bene chamo kene bene wa kilu be ye pen pera tek ni ka che yin bene itie i luba no bene jimi war mer mabe kin mano mi yor bet kere ye kor pen tanyo kwa ka che wa chal ching la chwej bene pera tek wa kono jimi ne war mabe but mono gere gen matie waneno la dit MP ulogo otumo atika koro MP mi ba deg la yibi contestant kache enen eno joining one chi beno wa bineno ne kor but beru chalo wai tie busy to twal ma no wa no wulu tu wak network epeti mabe ker ba temo ko ngani WhatsApp but network tiga ngoleo yitian lokani WhatsApp dong po be konyo wa tuan me communicating kere no miro dong wa ko eno chwa wa chwa yer link wa eno joining straight live ato watika ko na pe manok ka neno bino chi wa be mete be nyin bena be winyu ngoge ko mala di Robinson Ogeri man contestant me ba digile yibi MP ma NTA ka kele wa kore but kenen bene donc cha be ngore ma po o chi wa be yupo ne mala chen en be bino chi bene be wacho wa ngo ke kuma ma en tamu e kum tela me northern Uganda ki donc tela manote ka timme i northern Uganda in general pe no mete wo to ka ye bino e ya nyime no mi yarwa non kar me yupo jimi wen kor mano to tela bedo ki chwin meneno ngo ma be pi anyimpa dano manotie in northern Uganda mano wo to wa be konyowa wa neno jima pat dichu mano wa mero i community ma megwa kidong bene environment ma megwa mano no wa pe wa dong chiana ngich la mono gin ma perata so yeah wa giro penir matine kany ner mala chien wa be rate chi wa be nongo la dit Robinson chi wa kelo eno bedo ti ato network po bedo be to wa no la dit MP contestant man ki jai bak en beno bin mete wa onyoto wa tamme mano mano konyo wan kore ka dong la peny mo pe excuse me lok mo pol pe chi wa bilor ne penir matini kor mano obinen wunu dak gwa e chiam chel manyen onyo gwa dir ni kanen mo tie ke chawa che bilung wa bi connecting kila dit Robinson wa kan mo bino konwa o mine wa bene tamma mege an fo de ton menen tamiti be TV subscribe ka che foot pe subscribing wa kwaneno kin man jimne wor ka da fo de ton